Hello, welcome. Let us have a problem based on circle chapter related to angle properties. The problem is, in this figure, AB and CD are intersecting chords of a circle. Chord AB and chord CD are intersecting at P. Name two triangles which are similar. So in this figure, name two triangles which are similar. Hence, calculate CP given that AB is 6 cm, PB is 4 cm and CD, complete CD is given 14 cm, and it is given that PC is greater than PT. Okay, first of all we have to find out which two triangles are similar. Okay, let us see. We can see angle BAD and angle BC, angle BAD and angle BCD are similar because they are the angles in the same segment. Angle BAD is equal to angle BCD because they are the angles in the same segment. Same way, we can see angle ADC and angle ABC, they are also angles in the same segment. Angle ADC is equal to angle ABC because of the same reason. Now we can see these two are equal in this triangle APD and BPC. Yes or no? Therefore, triangle APD is similar to triangle BPC under a rule. So, first one question asks, name two triangles which are similar, that is triangle APD and triangle BPC are similar. Now, you know that when two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional to each other. That implies in triangle APD, opposite to this angle is AP by, in this triangle opposite to this is CP equal to, again in this triangle opposite to this angle is DP by, here opposite to this is BP. Whereas we know AP, we know BP, PB or PP, and CD, complete line CP plus DP is given to us. But we don't know how much is CP and how much is DP, we don't know. So what we have to do is, let us take CP as X, then DP will be 14 minus X. Okay, so let us take, let CP is X, DP will be 14 minus X. So here I can do AB by CP, AB equal to 6, CP we have taken as X, equal to DP we got 14 minus X, by BP is 4. Okay, now let me do here, that implies 4 6 are 24 is equal to 14x minus x square. Or let me bring x square this side, 14x this side, plus 24 is equal to 0. So we can have 24 is 12 2s are 24, and here is plus is there, here minus is there. So both are minus, so that we can have plus when we multiply minus 2 and minus 12. Now in both x is common, x minus 2 minus 12 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is common, into x minus 2 is 0. That implies x minus 2 is 0 and x minus 12 is 0. That equal to x equal to 2, here x equal to 12. So we thought CP as X and also PC is greater than PD given. If CP is 2, then DP will be 14 minus 2, 12. But it is given that PC is great, so X is 12 we have to take. So after this, only that is the question asked. The question is calculate CP. Therefore CP is, I'm doing here, therefore CP is equal to 12 cm. CP x we have taken, x value is 12, so CP is 12 cm. I hope you understood. Thank you.